Hello everyone. Today's topic is multi-class classification problems. This is from Machine Learning subject 4th year Computer Department and the topic from 4th unit Supervised Learning Classification. Today's session we will solve multi-class classification problem. Question is, let's consider a multi-class classification problem with three classes. Class A, Class B and Class C. Actual labels are given, that is ground truth. For Class A, there are 20 samples. For Class B, 30 samples are given and for Class C, 50 samples are given. Predicted labels are given, which are for Class A, 18 correct predictions and 2 incorrect predictions. For Class B, 25 correct predictions and 5 incorrect predictions. For Class C, 45 correct predictions and 5 incorrect predictions. First, compute macro average precision, recall and F1 score. And second one, compute micro average precision, recall and F1 score. So in this question, actual labels and predicted labels of class A, class B and class C are given and we have to find macro average precision, macro average recall, macro average F1 score and micro average precision, micro average recall and micro average F1 score. So here first we draw confusion matrix for all classes, for class A, for class B and class C. So here we draw confusion matrix for class A. So in the question, actual labels and predicted labels are given. So here for class A, 20 samples are given for class A. Predicted values are for class A, 18 correct prediction and 2 incorrect prediction. So in this table, we put all the values. So this is the confusion matrix and true negative value is 18, which is this 18 correct prediction, false positive, which is 2, false negative is 2 and true positive is 18. Total is 18 plus 2 is 20, 2 plus 18 is 20. Here 18 plus 2 is equal to also 20 and 2 plus 18 is equal to 20. So the total samples are 20. This is the confusion matrix for class A. Similarly, we draw confusion matrix for class B and class C. So same here we draw the confusion matrix for class B. Actual labels and predicted labels are given. For class B, actual labels 30 samples, means total samples are 30. 25 correct predictions and 5 incorrect prediction. Total is 30 samples. So here in this table we put true negative, false positive, false negative and true positive. So here true negative is equal to 25, false positive is 5, false negative is 5 and true positive is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 5 plus 25 is 30. 25 plus 5 is 30 and 5 plus 25 is 30. So this is the confusion matrix for class B. Class C, this is the confusion matrix. This is the confusion matrix for class C. So actual labels which are given here, which is 50 samples. Total is 50 samples. These are the actual labels, actual value, predicted labels, 45 correct predictions and 5 incorrect predictions. So we put true negative, false positive, false negative and true positive value in this table. So Tn, that is true negative, is 45, false positive is 5, false negative is 5 and true positive is 45. So total is 45 plus 5 is 50, 5 plus 45 is 50, 45 plus 5 is equal to 50 and 5 plus 45 is equal to 50. So here this is the confusion matrix for class C. In this problem, we have to find macro average precision, macro average recall and macro average F1 score. So first we calculate precision. So the formula to calculate precision is true positive divided by predicted yes. Means true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. So first we calculate precision value for class A. So this is the confusion matrix for class A. Formula is given TP divided by TP plus FP. So here TP is 18 and TP plus FP is 20. So 18 divided by 20 is 0.9. So precision value for class A is 0.9. Same for class B. This is the confusion matrix for class B, and this is the confusion matrix for class C. So here first we calculate precision value for class B, TP divided by TP plus FP. So first TP is 25, TP is 25 and FP is 5. So 25 plus 5 is 30. 25 divided by 30, which is equal to 0.833. So precision value for class B is 0.833. Similarly, we calculate precision value for class C. So formula is same. So TP divided by TP plus FP. Here for C, TP is 45 and FP is 5. So 45 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.9. So precision for class A is 0.9, precision for class B is 0.833 and precision for class C is 0.9. So here we calculated precision value for all the classes. Next, we will calculate average precision, macro average precision. To calculate macro average precision, we take average of all classes. Means we add precision of all classes and then we divide it by number of classes. So here number of classes are 3. So here we add precision of class A, precision of class B and precision of class C divided by 3. So precision of class A is 0.9, precision of class B is 0.833 and precision of class C is 0.9. So here 0.9 plus 0.833 plus 0.9 divided by 3 is 0.877. So this is the value, this is the answer. This is the macro average precision. 0.877 is the macro average precision. Next, compute macro average recall. So first formula to calculate recall is true positive divided by actual yes, which is equal to TP divided by TP plus Fn. And formula for calculate precision is true positive divided by predicted yes. So here this is the confusion matrix for class A, this is for class B, and this is confusion matrix for class C. So for class A, recall is equal to TP divided by TP plus Fn. So for class A, TP value is 18 and Fn is 2. 2 plus 18 is 20. 18 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.9. So recall value for class A is 0.9. For class B, recall is equal to true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. So here for class B, TP is equal to 25 and Fn is equal to 30. So 25, Fn is equal to 5. TP plus Fn is equal to 30. So 25 divided by 30, which is equal to 0.833. So recall for class B is 0.833. Similarly, for class C, recall is equal to TP divided by TP plus Fn. Here TP is equal to 45 and Fn is equal to 5. So 45 plus 5, which is equal to 50, and 45 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.9. So for class C, recall is equal to 0.9. For class A, recall is 0.9. For class B, recall is 0.833. And for class C, recall is equal to 0.9. Next, we will calculate macro average recall. So, we take average of recall value of class A, class B and class C. Means we add recall value for class A, class B and class C and then divided by number of classes, that is 3. So macro average recall, which is equal to recall value for class A, recall value for class B plus recall value for class C divided by 3. C is nothing but the number of classes. There are 3 classes. So here n is equal to 3. So recall value for class A is 0.9, recall value for class B is 0.833 and recall value for class C is 0.9. After adding this value and then we divided by 3, the answer is 0.877. So macro average recall is 0.877. Next is macro average F1 score. So first, the formula to calculate F1 score is 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. Already we calculate value of precision and recall for all classes. So here we put the value of precision and recall here and then we find value of F1 score. for each classes, class A, class B and class C. So first for class A, F1 score is equal to 2 into precision of class A into recall for class A divided by precision for class A plus recall for class A. So precision is 0.9 and recall is also 0.9. So 2 into 0.9 into 0.9 divided by 0.9 plus 0.9. So the value of this is 1.62 and after adding 0.9 plus 0.9 is 1.8. So 1.62 divided by 1.8 which is equal to 0.9. So F1 score for class A is 0.9. Similarly for class B, F1 score is equal to 2 into 0.833 into 0.833 divided by 0.833 plus 0.833. After calculating the value 1.38778 divided by 1.666. After dividing this value, we get 0.833. So F1 score for class B is 0.833. Similarly, for class C, F1 score is equal to 2 into 0.9 into 0.9 divided by 0.9 plus 0.9. So here 1.62 divided by 1.8 which is equal to 0.9. So F1 score for class A is 0.9, F1 score for class B is 0.833 and F1 score for class C is 0.9. Next, we will calculate macro average F1 score by adding F1 score of all class and then we divided by number of classes, that is 3. Macro average F1 score is equal to F1 score for class A plus F1 score for class B plus F1 score for class C divided by 3. 3 is the number of classes, class A, class B and class C. So first F1 score for class A is 0.9, F1 score for class B is 0.833 and F1 score for class C is 0.9. 0.9 plus 0.833 plus 0.9 divided by 3 is equal to 0.877. This is the macro average F1 score. Next, we have to compute micro average precision, micro average recall and micro average F1 score. These are the confusion matrix for class A, class B and class C. So first we calculate total true positive, that is TP. 18 plus 25 plus 45 means true positive value of class A, class B and class C. True positive value of class A is 18. Tn for class A is 18. Tn for class B is 25 and Tn for class C is 45. So we add all the value 18 plus 25 plus 45 which is equal to 88. This is the this is the total true positive value. Same we calculate total false positive, that is FE. FE for class A, FE for class B and FE for class C. So first for class A, FE is 2. For class B, Fp is 5 and for class Fp is equal to 5. After adding all the values, we get 12. 2 plus 5 is equal to 12. So the total false positive value is 12. Next, we calculate total false negative, that is Fn, for all the classes. So first, for A, Fn is equal to 2. For class B, Fn is equal to 5 and for class C, Fn is equal to 5. After adding all the value, we get 12. 2 plus 5 is 12. So here total true positive is 88, total false positive is 12 and total false negative is 12. Formula to calculate macro average precision, which is equal to total true positive divided by total true positive plus total false positive. So already we calculate total true positive, which is 88 and total false positive, which is 12. So 88 divided by 88 plus 12. 88 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.88. So macro average precision is 0.88. Next, macro average recall. So the formula to calculate macro average recall is total true positive divided by total true positive plus total false negative. So here total true positive value is 88 and total false negative is 12. So 88 divided by 88 plus 12, which is equal to 88 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.88. So macro average recall value is 0.88. Next, macro average F1 score. Formula to calculate macro average F1 score is 2 into macro average precision into macro average recall divided by macro average precision plus macro average recall. So already we know value of macro average precision and macro average recall. So here we put macro average precision, which is 0.88, and same macro average recall value is 0.88. So here we put this two value, 2 into 0.88 into 0.88 divided by 0.88 plus 0.88. After calculated, we get 0.88. So value of macro average F1 score is 0.88.